The virtual reality world stands poised on the brink of transformation. Ever since the Meta Quest series debuted, it has redefined what immersive, standalone VR can offer. From the Oculus Quest to Meta Quest 2, 3, and 3S, each generation leapfrogged the latest in accessibility, performance, and mixed reality capability. Now, the tech community is buzzing with anticipation about the next logical step, the Meta Quest 4. With a title as bold as Meta Quest 4 officially announced, specs, price, and release date, we dive deep into every shred of information, official or speculative, to dissect what this next-generation headset could mean for VR enthusiasts and the industry at large. To date, Meta has not officially confirmed a Meta Quest 4. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Instead, reports and leaks dominate the discussion. According to LifeWire, rumors suggest a release in 2026, possibly featuring two models, a standard and a premium variant, with the price starting around $500 and the premium version potentially costing an additional. Yet, other sources suggest a more dramatic delay. Tom's Guide and Space 4 Games report that Meta may have postponed Quest 4 to 2027, shifting focus toward launching a lightweight mixed reality device called Puffin in 2026. Thus, the official announcement in the title remains hypothetical for now, but it offers a tempting narrative structure for exploring expectations and possibilities. Past launch patterns offer some insight. Meta Quest 2 arrived in October 2020, followed by Quest 3 in October 2023, and Quest 3S in October 2024. Based on that cadence, Phone Arena projects a mid-October 2026 release for Quest 4. LifeWire matches that projection but acknowledges uncertainty. However, Space 4 Games cautions that Meta's roadmap now privileges Puffin, its mixed reality glasses headset, for 2026, pushing Quest 4 beyond 2026. Android Central concurs, stating that Meta has paused development of the Quest 4, now looking toward 2027, focusing instead on launching Puffin. Thus, while 2026 remains plausible under old patterns, the shift in Meta's strategy could delay Quest 4 to 2027. A key rumor gaining traction suggests Meta may break from its one-model tradition by launching two variants simultaneously, codename Pismo High, a premium model, and Pismo Low, a more affordable version, akin to a Quest 4 and Quest 4S split. This dual-model approach could allow Meta to cater to both mainstream consumers and enthusiasts from day one. The premium model might feature advanced tracking, higher display fidelity, and enhanced MR features, while the budget model offers core upgrades at a lower price point. Specs and features. What might the Quest 4 deliver? Though leaks remain speculative, several recurring expectations emerge. Eye and face tracking, likely to return in the premium model, enabling foveated rendering, avatar expression, and gaze-based interactions. Improved visuals. Enhanced display resolution is anticipated. Some reports hint at OLED options or more advanced LCD backlights. Phone Arena suggests incremental gains over Quest 3's 2064 by 2208 pixels per eye. Performance upgrades. A next-gen Qualcomm Snapdragon XR chip, likely XR2 Gen 3 or equivalent, is expected to power the new headsets. Mixed reality enhancements. Deeper MR integration.